Do you see what I see? A place frozen in time, full of natural wonders. Where rivers flow through virgin jungles and waterfalls are abundant. Surrounded by stunning islands and beaches. With hidden treasures below. Where there is an abundance of wildlife species flourishing in their protected natural habitat. Where the thriving metropolis is a bustling urban jungle. And a diverse multicultural hub. Witness stunning world-class sunsets. Explore tasty local delicacies and trendy cafes, or indulge yourself in gourmet cuisines. Satisfy your craving for adventure. Enjoy a slower pace and pamper yourself in luxury. Experience living amongst the locals as you travel with purpose. Finish with a rejuvenating stay at one of the world-class 5-star resorts. This is my home. This is Sabah.